Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are making minced mutton kababs today. They are easy to make and taste is excellent, mashallah. To make these yummy kebabs, we need minced mutton 2 pounds, onion on medium size, finely chopped like this, mint leaves half bunch, and cilantro leaves half bunch, chopped finely both mint and cilantro leaves. Ginger grated 1 tablespoon, salt 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, paprika half teaspoon, nutmeg 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, cayenne pepper 1/4 teaspoon. So let's mix everything in mince and marinate it for an hour. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A beautiful kebab mixture is ready, alhamdulillah. Cover it and keep it in fridge for 1 hour to marinate. Then we will make some kebabs. Also we will freeze them to enjoy in Ramadan, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After an hour, mixture is ready to make kebabs. Dip your fingers in a little bit oil to make kebabs. Then set them on a plate with parchment paper. It is good shape kebab, mashallah. They will take 4 to 5 hours to freeze properly. Then keep them in freezer bag and store them in freezer again for a month, inshallah. We can make 14 kebabs of this mixture. So let's freeze some of them and fry some kebabs to enjoy with. Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very tasty minced mutton kebabs are ready. Enjoy them in Ramadan and keep us in your duas. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.